If you had 1,000 cedis to invest at the beginning of the year and you invested in the platform we're going to talk about, you would have made 68% interest per annum. Yes, 68 interest per annum. If you had done this investment, that means that you would have made 680 Ghana cedis interest on your principal. So if you are interested to know how to do that, make sure that you like the video, watch the video to the end because it's a very practical video, step by step. Get out your smartphones and let's get this thing done. Now, if you have any questions, let's talk about it in the comment section. Make sure you share the video to anybody that you feel also needs to learn this, and let's go. Now, Achieve by Petra is the platform we are going to talk about. Before we start the video, remember that what we talk about here is not financial advice. We are not financial advisors, but we love personal finance. And so when we find topics like this, and we find things that help us to grow together, we share with the community so we can all grow and make money together. So consult your financial advisor before you take any of the stuff in this video. Before you start anything here, consult your financial advisor. Okay, so now let's go. So Achieve by Petra is the app we're going to use today to invest the money. Now, what is Achieve by Petra? Petra is the company that owns the Achieve app, and they are leading financial investment company in Ghana. They also deal in pensions. And so you can read more about it. Let's Google Petra and read more about them. Now, they designed the Achieve app, which is an app that helps you to invest into different kinds of investments on the app. They have the DigiSave, that is like, that they are the safest investments that allows you to invest into, that's a very short-term investment, 3 months to about a year, and then their interest rate is usually around 24%. That's one of their safest investments. But they also have other investments, and those are the ones which we are more interested in the video. So they have the Eurobond Trust, which allows you to invest into the dollar-denominated Eurobonds, and that one they take you about 2 to 3 years. And the one which we are very, very, very interested in is the enhanced equity. And now the enhanced equity allows you to invest into the US stock markets. That is the companies that we know and love. That's what they invest in. So Apple, Google, Netflix, Amazon, these are the companies they invest in. So that is the one that's due to the 68% interest rate. Now, bear in mind that they have designed this to be a long-term investment. So if you're somebody that's actually looking for something short-term, then it's better for you to actually go for the DigiSave option, which one does the 24%. But if you are somebody that it can handle a little bit more risk and you are ready to wait for that period of time, and then you can consider the Eurobond Trust. Not the Eurobond Trust, sorry, but the enhanced equity. Now that you know that, also bear in mind that this is not for just anybody. And so before you even start this, read about what it means to own shares and how the whole thing goes about, because sometimes it fluctuates just a little bit, because as you know, the price of the stock can go up and can come down, so you need to be abreast of the stock market to be able to understand this thing well. Okay, so then how do we start? It's very simple. So you take out your phones, you go to the app store, then you download the Achieve by Petra app. Now after downloading, you sign up. After signing up, you're going to ask you to do the usual KYC. You have to put your name, date of birth, address, all those things. Now when they are done, you need to input in your Ghana card. Now after inputting in your Ghana card, then now you can start investment. So now I'm going to show you how you can deposit the money. Now you can start with as little as 100 Ghana cedis. So if you have 100 Ghana cedis, you can start with it, and then you will top it up and as and when you get some extra money. And so it's very simple, and then I'm going to take you through the phone side. Then you deposit the money, you create the account and all that. Let's go.